tidy teapot scores a perfect 10. No contact. Tight.
Whoa. What the fuck? It's vanishing. What is that following it? That's a helicopter. Tell me that. Oh my god, it's. Oh no, sorry, that was just behind the curtain. What the fuck? Unless it's a plane, is that just a plane? Oh shit, yeah.
What are they?
Position.
Yeah, there it is. Look, Malk.
Probably nothing. That light in the distance, just flashing and hovering. It's probably nothing. It's not moving, so it's probably a helicopter from the base. I'm going to check flight radar in a sec, but it's just bouncing around. There's no consistency to the flight pattern. It's just hovering, bouncing around. There are no other jets up or aircraft up at the moment. And now the flashing sequence has changed. I know you can see that. Quite an interesting one. So the flashing's got slower. It was flashing. There we go. It's got a different flash pattern on it now. Right, we'll stop this and go onto a live, I think. Let's watch it for a couple more minutes, see what it does. See, if it, to me, if it was a conventional helicopter or an aeroplane, the flashing would be consistent, but it's irregular. And there are other small flashes coming off it. I don't know if it's coming out on the camera. I'm going to go and get my professional camera equipment out. I do photography as a hobby, so I actually have got a zoom lens, but it's a whole effort filming with the camera and then uploading it to the computer to download it again to put up. So, but I think I will, because some people are saying about clarity. I will do that. Let's just see if I can zoom in a little bit on this. Did you see that? Yeah, okay, it's time to go live.
above the block. That ain't the moon, and it's not a star. For reference, the stars are that far away. That looks like it's sitting above the block.
Now I think the lights do give it the appearance like it's a triangle, but okay, so now it looks like more like a green light, the bottom one, but it could be that the red and the green one might be the main wing and the white one might be the tail, like a standard plane configuration potentially, but there's not really any way of telling because it's so dark. But the weird thing for me is that there's no flashing lights on it at all. So, who knows? Now the red and the green lights could potentially be the end of the wings, and then the white one on the tail. But it's weird that it's like that because it gives it a triangle a look to it. But nothing's flashing on it at all. Yeah. It's just too dark, you just can't make it out like any little shape is. Definite drone of props, isn't it? So whether it's some sort of surveillance drone or just a plane keeping an eye on things, just don't know.